Hello, my dear viewers. Welcome back to my channel. Warm greetings to you all. Let us start today's video with short and beautiful prayer. Read this prayer in your mind and ask Lord's blessings upon you and your family. I hope you all must be feeling blessed after reading out this short prayer. So, my dear friends, today's video is of maths topic handling data. Handling data. Collecting information about various things known as collecting data or handling data. Tally marks records data counting in group of fives. Charts are pictorial presentation of data. When we collect information about various things and save it, it is known as collecting or handling that data or information. We always use tally marks to record data. Tally marks means vertical lines for each count used in handling data. It counted in groups of fives. Then some charts are also pictorial presentation of data. Let us learn more about it with the examples. In the classroom, teacher asked Alan and Selma to count the number of students wearing clothes of different colors. The table that Alan made. Color of clothes: red, green, yellow, blue. Names of children, number of children. And the table that Selma made. Color of clothes, tally marks, number of children. Now here, Selma suggested that instead of writing names, they could put one mark for each child. And this is quickest method. So, look at Selma's table. Here, Selma is putting one vertical line for each child. Likewise, 4 children have worn red color clothes, 2 children have worn green color clothes, 7 children have worn yellow color, and 10 children have worn blue color. Now, my dear friends, how to do counting of these tally marks? So, after count of 4, we will give a diagonal or slanting line for 5th count. For example, look at 3rd row. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Now for 5, we'll give one diagonal line. And then next count 6 and 7. Same, it will follow with the next row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this is how tally marks are useful to conduct data. And so it is said that tally marks conducted in groups of fives. Let us study one more example. Mary made a table giving information about the flowering plants in her garden. Rose, hibiscus, mogra and champa. Now let us make information of all these plants. Sonu, you are good at drawing pictures, so the table looks pretty. Tony, but I can't draw such nice pictures like you, and it takes so long to draw them well. So, we will make tally marks instead of drawing pictures of things. That will be quicker. So here, name of plant: rose, hibiscus, mogra and champa. Tally marks: total number of plants. Sonu, help me to count. So how many rose plants are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here total number is 8. Now next is hibiscus. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mogra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And last is champa. 1 and 2. Thus we can see that Sonu has made pictorial presentation of data. Means she has drawn pictures of all the flowers, and so it is known as pictorial data. And Tony has made handling data or collecting data with the help of tally marks. My dear friends, check your description box for fun activities. Enjoy your learning. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay blessed, stay happy.